I don't know how O's go.
Yeah, they're just a circle, Lila.
But I know how P's go.
What starts with P?
I just pointed with this.
Very good, P, Lilith. What's that? What's that you're drawing now?
Q.
Very good. Good job, Lilith. What's that?
R.
What starts with R?
Rainbow.
Very good.
Tyler. S. Snake.
Very good, Lilith.
V. B. B.
What's the U sound like? What's that?
X. W.
Very good.
Y. No!
Sadie just wants to see what you're doing.
Y.
Sadie doesn't have paws. Has paws. He can't write.